Today, 39% of marriages in the United States have ended in divorce. And there are several reasons why couples decide to call it quits. Factors such as lack of commitment, infidelity, financial hardships, conflict and arguments, even domestic violence and substance use. Marriage Matters is a non-cost program designed to encourage and educate couples in the areas of strengthening relationships, communication, problem solving, stress and anger management, intimacy, parenting, and financial literacy. Our mission is to help married couples at every stage to build and to maintain a healthy marriage. For more information on how to enroll, call us or visit BeStrongIntl.org.